I'm Berk Arslan. I live in Ankara, Turkey. I work as a senior software engineer in Crossover for 2.5 years now, and now I'm working at Aurea. I have always lived in Ankara. I can't leave after these 30 years. Part of the reason that I applied to Crossover was that I was considering to getting married, and I would be spending too much money. The compensation is just great here. No local jobs in my country can compete with it. I was able to cover all of the expenses. I'm married, you see. I even got promoted half a year ago, so my compensation got increased even more. So I work in maintenance team room right now, and what we do is that we maintain the products by fixing their defects. We analyze the problem by writing root cause analysis, and we implement the fix in a single day. It's not easy to achieve this fastness. In Aurea, we decrease the human error possibility, and we try to automate every step that we can so that we don't have any room for failures. Our main achievement is to make everyone happy, the customers and ourselves. WorkSmart is a tool that Crossover uses to monitor our productivity. It counts your keyboard clicks, mouse clicks, and takes a screenshot. This took a few weeks maybe for me to get used to, and I don't think it's such a big deal, but I just focus on my work and I'm not even aware that the WorkSmart is running in the background right now. The nice thing about WorkSmart is that you can monitor your productivity from Crossover portal, and you can get some useful insights, your intensity of your work or your focus even. And I'm sure that my productivity got doubled and even maybe more. That's some great result for the company and for me. I pushed my limits, and WorkSmart was the real magic for that. I'm Berk Arslan, and I found my dream job thanks to Crossover.